Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to transfer Sweatcoin to Sweat wallet. So as you can see, this is the official app of Sweatcoin. So just open the app and you will see an interface like this. Let it load. So as you can see, this is the official app of Sweatcoin, and after that you will see like home, earn, rewards and social and multiple options. So what you can do is just click on the amount on the upper right corner. You can see the coins and all of your like earned money on that. So when you're here, you will see like a multiple my steps, earn, sweat coins, claim bonuses and transactions. You can see like all the transaction history on this section as well. So let's say you want to transfer your Sweatcoin to Sweat wallet. So what you can do is just go and download the app Sweat wallet. Make sure to download this app and log in with your account. And if you do not have an account, so just create an account. And this is the interface of Sweat wallet coin. So after that, just go to the Sweatcoin and you can see like Sweat dollars and 0.00/0 dollars. So what you can do is just click on this amount, and once you click on this amount, they will ask you like wants to open Sweat wallet. So just click on open, and after that your amount will be automatically shifted to Sweat wallet. And let's say you want to check if either your amount is received or not, so just go to portfolio, and on here you can see the Sweatcoin. Like all of your balance will be shown on this section, and that is how easily you can transfer Sweatcoin to Sweat wallet.